Hi Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. This is for Leo June 1st to June the 3rd. So Leo, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit a Z notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po mula sa akin, mag-subscribe na rin po kayo doon sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. No? So, medyo complicated ang readings po doon. And if you also want to join our live session, sa kabilang channel po yun, Babaylan TV. Kung feeling nyo hindi kayo or hindi nyo naaabutan no, itong live sessions, pwede naman po kayong magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ngayon po, kung feeling nyo hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, gumamit po kayo ng form sa description box po. No, either you have to click the link or copy the link. You will be routed to my page, type in your questions, and then click submit. Follow the instructions, that's very important. Or if you also want to avail your private reading, nasa description box din po yan. Ayan, so Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours, no? So Leo, ang nakikita ko dito parang medyo paayos na, no, ang problema. Medyo humuhupa na yung galit, whether ikaw yung galit, whether yung person mo yung galit. Someone here is waiting, for the other person to just approach. I think kung sino man yung nakagawa ng kasalanan, ready na siya mag-sorry. Ang hindi niya pa ginagawa, it's because kasi feeling niya heightened pa yung emotion ng isa. So kung heightened pa yung emotion ng isa, baka pa nag-approach ako, bigla naman akong, sigawan or i-reject, sayang lang, no? So I am waiting for the other person to lower down their guards, no? Pero madami na siyang naiisip on how to apologize. With the Ace of Cups, the Two of Coins, and the Ten of Wands. I think yung separation na to, yung nangyaring separation na ito, napagtanto niya, no, how important Leo is, no, sa buhay niya, or gaano ka-importante itong relasyon para sa kanya. Kasi ang nakita ko dito, hirap na hirap siya, no, with the Ten of Wands. Nung nagkaroon kayo ng separation, no, parang nandun niya naisip na, ay, hindi ko pala kayang mawala si Leo. With the Two of Cups in here and the Knight of Wands, doon niya rin naisip na ganun din pala kalalim, no, itong nararamdaman ko kay Leo. Parang meron talagang push ngayon na I want to put the connection into another level of commitment. I want to, let's say, sabihin natin na gawing mas seryoso ang mga bagay-bagay. With the Five of Wands, the Devil card, and the High Priestess, nako, sising-sisi siya dahil I think naging pasaway itong person mo. Ngayon, nung parang bumigay ka, umayaw ka, para siyang nabuhusan ng malamig na tubig. Parang sabi niya, uy, hindi ko ini-expect na magi-give up si Leo sa akin. Hindi ko ini-expect na magiging ganito, no? Mabibitawan niya ako bibitawan niya ako. So, with the King of Coins in here and the Nine of Swords, binigyan mo kasi siya ng leksyon, no? Yun ang nakikita ko, may leksyon kang binigay sa kanya na, kala mo ha, hindi ko kaya, di ba? Kala mo lang yon. Ngayon, stress na stress siya. Kumbaga, paano ko babalik, no, kay Leo? Paano ko siya i-approach? Lalo na ngayon na medyo galit na galit siya or medyo malaki yung kasalanang nagawa ko, no? I think hindi nakakatulog itong person mo nang kakaisip sa iyo. Hindi siya nakakatulog dahil sobra yung kanyang pag-aalala, no? Para magkaroon ng sabihin natin maayos yung relasyon ninyong dalawa. So tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Sagittarius, I'm seeing Taurus, I'm seeing Capricorn, I am seeing Leo, Pisces, of Virgo, Aries, Scorpio, no? Yeah, so this is your reading, Leo, para or kapwa Leo din, 'di ba? Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin, dun po yun sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, no? So this is your reading, Leo, love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Don't forget po, no, pwede kayong magtanong, take advantage on those ways on how to ask questions from me. Ayan. Maraming salamat and see you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.